Hey y'all, so I found out that there's this thing called vlogging and we can have our own family vlog. So seriously y'all, so we are in Pueblo, Colorado, getting ready to travel to Alamosa.
Yes.
To go pick up some sand sleds, and we're gonna go sand sledding at the national, where is it?
Sand Dunes National Park.
The Great Sand Dunes National Park.
And we got a little taxi driver right there.
Taxi driver. We've got Emily,
The way
who's too cool for school, and Audrey, the silly girl, and of course me, the cool mom, and the world's coolest dad.
Talk about the weather.
Now we're supposed to talk about the weather. So it's like 50 something degrees.
In Colorado.
58.
And it's cold.
No, it feels good.
No, it's cold.
There's no
It
wind.
feels like winter.
Look at that man in
feels like
his sunglasses.
Well, look at the.
Oh, okay, hold on.
Is that snow?
Apparently I'm supposed to look at the mountains. I gotta figure out how to do it.
You have to stop the video.
Here's our view of the Rocky Mountains. What do you think of the mountains, Emily?
Can I see the phone?
What do you think,
Can I
Audrey?
just hold the phone?
For a sec.
So yeah, I think it's cool.
So Audrey thinks it's cool. All right, I'll take it back now.
Catchphrase.
I'm too cool for this.
Catchphrase. No, 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 Batman. Catchphrase.
Seriously, y'all.
Daddy, catchphrase.
Okay.
Like that?
Yep. Pull that nose out. There you go. Pull the nose out.
That made a sound.
Wow. Awesome.
You wanna walk over there?
Go.
We just got done sand sledding. It was a slow go at first, but now we're the masters of it. So, peace. Seriously, y'all.
How do you feel about this?
Oh, it's fun. Now, if anybody does this, don't get junior boards, no matter what the age is. Everybody get adult boards.
Unless you're like 5.
No, I'd still get an adult board.
Yep.
Peace. Seriously, y'all.
You have on there, Jake.
A little hitchhiker, he just kind of just flew right on me and said, "Hey,
I wonder what kind of bug that is.
welcome to Colorado." He's like, "Okay, here we go." Anyway.
What are you doing?
We're making a pool.
And
Cool.
washing off.
We made it out of stones and mud.
Alright, we are now driving to hopefully go find a really yummy restaurant to eat at. We have sand in our ears and our toes and our mouths and our hair and other places that we cannot mention on a vlog. What do you guys think?
That was fun. I like playing in the creek.
Here, talk louder.
I love my mints.
I like playing in the creek.
I love my mints.
What's your favorite part?
Eating my
Just
mints.
looking at him.
Audrey, what did you get today?
Mints.
Well, yes, you got mint, but what did you get when we were at the at the visitor center? A badge.
Bad.
All right, we are gonna go and try to eat some dinner and get cooled off and get the sand out of unmentionable places.
Oh my god.
Seriously, y'all. Alright, so we finally got to the hotel. We've taken a shower. We haven't eaten dinner yet, so we're about to go to this little steakhouse that apparently you can get a prime, or is it a prime rib? Filet mignon for $10. So we're gonna see what that is. It's a really good steak, we're hoping. So we'll see. $10. I don't know.
Good Yelp reviews.
It's got good Yelp reviews. So anyway, on the way here, we had something really exciting happen. We saw something that we thought we would only really see in Oklahoma. We saw
tornadoes.
3 tornadoes. So I tried to video them, and only one you can kind of see because it's so far off from where we were. But anyways, here is one of the tornadoes. All right, I don't know if you can see it, but there is another tornado.
There's some that are trying to form.
See right there?
Oh my goodness, that's like the biggest one.
Okay, it's the closest one to us. Can you, well, it's hard to see. It's over all these buildings. All right, it's been a fun-filled day with sand dunes, tornadoes, giant bugs, $10 filet mignons, and Dairy Queen. So it's been fun. Seriously, y'all.
I'm too cool for this.